Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make chicken jalfrezi. Okay, so for this, the chicken jalfrezi, we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken which has been cut. Everything for this has to be cut in julienne. And then onions has been cut in julienne, green peppers, red peppers. It's a very colorful dish. Tomatoes and also orange bell peppers. So all the spices are gonna go with chili powder, with cumin powder. So initially, what we're gonna do is, I got this chicken here. What I'm gonna do is half of my garam masala powder and all of my chili powder. I'm gonna put it on this and let it sit for about half an hour. That's the start of this. So let it sit for half an hour and let it marinate kind of stuff. I like to keep this like this. The reason is because it will, all the masalas, all the spices go inside it. Then when you take a bite, you can feel the spices in it. So it's a good way to start it instead of starting it bland. So let's keep it like this. And then all this goes with, there's cumin powder, there's garam masala powder, and of course our chili paste, about 2 tablespoons of chili paste, tomato ketchup, ginger garlic paste, and these are tomatoes. This is our onion karai masala, which is the karai masala which we made, which is on our board. So look up for that recipe, and of course yogurt. And we're going to grind this leftover of the tomatoes, which is the inside of the tomatoes with little of the inside of the green peppers, so to make the gravy. So let's begin. Okay, so for this, I said we're going to blend this tomato. This makes a very good gravy. And also, if you've seen that we are putting also capsicum, which is the green peppers, and blending it. So this will go well with the sauce. Here we go, start. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna put about 5-6 tablespoons of oil because we're gonna saute this chicken first. And now you can see the chicken, we kept it for half an hour. And look at this, they're long like this. They're long like this. And it is called julienned of chicken. So the best thing about this is that it has to be in a julienne. That's why it's called jalfrezi. Okay, so we're gonna saute this on high heat. So this is, just get it cooked real fast on a high heat. So, and then take it out. Let's cover it and get it to a very high temperature real fast. Okay, so you can see just nice and brown. Now's the time to take it off because we don't want to overcook this too much. It's just a nice browning. So I'm going to turn this off and take this off because we're going to cook it in the sauce later on. Okay, in the same oil that we did the chicken, I'm going to saute this vegetables real fast on real high heat for only 2-3 seconds or so. I mean 2-3 minutes. Not even 2-3 minutes, probably a minute. Okay, so that's all my vegetables. So it's about a minute now for this vegetable. This is what we call flash frying. So I'm going to turn this off and now drain all this, get all this out And the same oil we're going to make the masala now. How colorful it is, right? So that's how the color is going to be maintained. And when everything is ready, then we're going to put this vegetables back into this along with the tomatoes. I didn't put any tomatoes in this, and that will give it a nice appearance and rich flavor to this beautiful dish, which is called chicken jalfrezi. Okay, so now we're going to make the curry for the gravy for the chicken. This is our kadai masala, or you can also go with just onion paste if you want to. With the kadai masala, which is on our recipe board, you can try this, it's really good. So just add our ginger garlic paste. Ginger. This is the garlic paste. Then let it cook a little bit. Let the gravy cook a little bit. It has to have a little more oil in this because you'll see at the end, it's like an Indian stir fry. Okay, so let this cook well. Okay, so now for this, I'm gonna add my cumin powder. This is our chili paste. If you want to add chili powder, it's good, but go easy on it because we've already added it in the chicken. So let's cook this a bit. Let the masalas cook. There you are. Now to this, I'm gonna add this is the puree of the vegetables and all that, of the tomato. This is the puree of the tomatoes and the green pepper. It was very less green pepper. So let this cook and we'll make a nice gravy with this. Okay, so now this has been simmering for about a minute. After this, I'm going to add my chicken, which we have sauteed before. And let it blend into it. But now is the time to lower the flame, okay? And we're going to add the yogurt in it. And let it cook for about 5 minutes slowly in this yogurt. Cover. You blend it well. Mix it well. And just on low heat, just let it cook. Okay, so this has been simmering for 5 minutes. It's reduced, really nice. And to this I add my garam masala. And just let it, as you can see, it is nice and thick. The sauce has to be nice and thick. Okay, and it's not a very gravy kind of, it has to be nice and dry and thick. To this I'm going to add now my ketchup. the must in this is the ketchup. It gives that sweet tomatoey flavor to it, and I'm going to use every drop of it. Now I'm going to add these tomatoes which are cut. Let it cook with this for at least 1 minute, so it gives the tomato flavor to it, and the tomatoes also get cooked. To this I'm going to add my salt right now. 1 teaspoon of salt. You can look at the gravy, it's become nice and thick. And that's how we make it at the restaurant. So yes, here there is a lot of sauce in it, but you like it when you eat it with bread or naan. This is just amazing stuff. Okay, now at the end, I'm going to add my Jalfrezi vegetables and just mix it and don't overcook it. And that's it. This is now almost ready. That's how colorful it should look. Just mix this vegetable, let the taste or the what's called the capsaicin of the vegetables to come into this sauce. And what you can do is now just turn it off and just let it simmer closed. Okay, so that's the better way to do. Voila, here's our chicken jalfrezi all ready to be eaten. Okay guys, so you saw the recipe for the chicken jalfrezi, and I'm gonna taste it now. You can see me smacking my lips. That's really good. That means it's really good. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel. Topper Chef, happy cooking.